Hey, that guy.
He always picks the good one too.
He has good taste.
Okay, he's gonna go. Oh, he likes the green one. I have the red one. Don't I have the red one? Or that's the pink one? Oh my god.
Alfredo.
Chico likes the cologne. Chico, you like the cologne, Chico. Jules.
Better than rolling around in poop. Ooh.
Do you smell good now? Do you smell like caca still? You smell good?
Nope. Smell like
Chico,
poop
you
still.
smell good?
Oh.
There's Mexicans.
Oh, here comes Chula. Chula, you know you don't want to be. Come on, okay. Come here.
Which Mexican should I be?